Think being able to knock out anywhere, anytime is a flex? Behind the wheel, at a desk, in boring meetings? Okay, that last one's relatable. But what if I told you hitting sleep mode in seconds isn't a superpower? It's your brain's mayday signal. Today, we're diving into the neurological secrets behind sleep latency and why instant sleep is a massive red flag you can't ignore.
Two critical truths your body is screaming at you when sleep hijacks consciousness. First, your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain. It's supposed to gradually hand control over to your sleep systems. That takes minutes. If it crashes instantly, that CEO is overworked, understaffed, and abandoning ship. Second, think about how much energy it takes to stay awake. When you collapse into sleep like a puppet with cut strings, that means your fight to stay conscious, literally burning ATP energy molecules, has collapsed. This isn't being a good sleeper, people. It's running your body like a junk car on fumes, duct tape, and caffeine until the engine seizes. Driving like this? Robbins' team found microsleep episodes can start increasing within days of chronic short sleep. Terrifyingly, you often won't even remember blanking out. It feels good in the moment, right? That crushing wave of exhaustion winning? But that wave is trying to drown you. Imagine your house alarm screaming bloody murder every night, and you just stick in earplugs. Silencing the alarm doesn't mean there's no intruder. That knockout power? That's your internal security system blaring, meltdown imminent. Ignoring it means risking far worse than bags under your eyes.
See this everywhere? Influencers bragging, "I fall asleep in seconds." Action heroes passing out mid-sentence. We're sold the idea that crashing instantly equals peak rest efficiency. Big mistake. Enter Dr. Rebecca Robbins, sleep scientist at Harvard and co-author of Sleep for Success.
It's a persistent myth that a good sleeper slams the pillow and vanishes. Reality: sleep isn't a light switch. It's a biological process your body initiates, and that takes time.
A well-rested, healthy brain needs 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes longer, to transition into sleep. That's your systems doing safety checks, like a pilot prepping takeoff. If you're asleep before your head hits the pillow, sorry, you're running on fumes. Hit snooze on this next part. Robbins' research reveals an unsettling parallel. Falling asleep near instantly signals severe chronic sleep debt. Think about it. If you were famished, what happens? You'd shovel food fast, zero control. That screams malnourished. Your body's desperate. It's exactly the same with sleep. Instant knockout means your brain is starvation mode. It hijacks you. Coffee only masks this.
The data is clear. When individuals consistently fall asleep in under 5 minutes, they're likely experiencing dangerous, cumulative sleep loss, impacting memory, immunity, even long-term disease risk.
This isn't oops, pulled a late-nighter. We're talking weeks or months of undersleeping. Your body stops asking nicely, it forces shutdown.
Forget catching up on weekends. After just 5 nights of less than or equal to 4 hours sleep, research shows your blood sugar processing tanks to pre-diabetic levels. That candy bar you crushed at 3 p.m., your pancreas just filed a harassment complaint. Your brain starts literally cannibalizing itself. Toxic tau proteins? Those normally get flushed during deep sleep, like mental drano. But undersleep long enough, they sludge up and fuse neurons solid. This is biological bankruptcy. Remember our CEO prefrontal cortex ghosting? Here's the terrifying part. It doesn't just quit. Chronic undersleep shrinks its gray matter. Ever snap at your kid over spilled Cheerios? That's your impulse control rotting. And if you think inflammation is just swollen ankles, wrong. When sleep-starved immune cells rage unleash cytokines, We're talking scorched earth warfare inside your vessels. UCLA proved undersleepers have arteries matching 80-year-olds by age 45. "I can function fine" is the dirtiest lie we tell ourselves. Your perception gaps become canyons. Stumble on stairs? Your cerebellum's GPS glitched. Misplaced keys? Memory encoding got smothered under metabolic trash. Need 3 alarms? Your reticular activating system is drowning in adenosine. The scariest part? Your self-assessment is broken. The University of Pennsylvania Sleep Lab found underslept subjects consistently rated themselves 40% more alert than reality, putting them on par with drunk drivers. That meeting where you nailed the presentation, your boss might have seen slurred words and vacant stares.
Want to self-diagnose? Try the 15-minute rule. Here's your field test tonight. 1. Set a visible timer. Keep it away from your phone. 2. Go dark. Lights out. 0 distractions. 3. Track relaxation. Notice your thoughts drifting, sinking. 4. The key. Did sleep take almost equals 15 minutes? Green zone. Under 8 minutes consistently? Big red flag. If you're joining the "I was out in 120 seconds" club, your mission starts now. Fixing this isn't torture. It's respecting your biology. Reprogram for sleep. 1. Bedtime boundaries. Be boringly consistent, even weekends. Yes, tough love. 2. Pre-sleep rituals. Drop blue light 90 minutes before. Read real books. Try 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grounding. 3. Break the crash cycle. Naps. Max 20 minutes before 3 p.m. Avoid sleeping in compensation. Goal? Train your brain back to that 15-minute takeoff pad. Within weeks, you'll feel deeper, more restorative rest, even if it takes a little longer to launch. So let's flip the script. Falling asleep instantly isn't a gift, it's a crisis flare. Healthy sleep feels like a gentle slide, not a knockout punch. Your challenge? Run the 15-minute test tonight. Drop your results in the comments. Green zone or red alert.